Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic autoimmune disease that affects more than 1.3 million Americans. It causes joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, and can lead to permanent joint damage if left untreated. In this video, we'll be discussing the causes, symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment options for rheumatoid arthritis. Firstly, let's talk about the causes of rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease, which means that the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy tissues in the body. The exact cause of this is unknown, but genetics and environmental factors are believed to play a role. Moving on to the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. The most common symptoms include joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, particularly in the hands, feet, and wrists. Other symptoms include fatigue, fever, and weight loss. These symptoms can vary in severity and may come and go over time. Next, let's talk about how rheumatoid arthritis is diagnosed. There is no single test that can diagnose rheumatoid arthritis. Doctors typically use a combination of blood tests, imaging tests, and physical exams to diagnose the condition. These tests help to rule out other conditions that may cause similar symptoms. Lastly, let's discuss the treatment options for rheumatoid arthritis. There is no cure for rheumatoid arthritis, but there are several treatments that can help manage the symptoms and slow the progression of the disease. These treatments include medication, physical therapy, and surgery in severe cases. Follow me to know the drugs of rheumatoid arthritis in the next video. In conclusion, rheumatoid arthritis is a chronic autoimmune disease that affects millions of people around the world. While there is no cure for this condition, there are many treatment options available that can help manage the symptoms and slow the progression of the disease. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, it is important to seek medical attention right away. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.